In this video, we will show the best Lotus Herbal skin care products available to buy. At number 10. Lotus Herbal's Whiteglow Face Wash. The gel cream is made from multiple fruit extracts that act as quality elements for the smoother, brighter and well-protected skin. At number 9. Lotus Herbal Moisturiser. It is a complete solution for your dehydrated skin. It brings proper hydration to your skin by moisturizing it with the goodness of shea butter and real strawberry. At number 8. Lotus Herbal's Youth RX Night Creme, a light, anti-aging night creme that absorbs easily into the skin without making it feel sticky or heavy. It removes dark spots and blemishes to provide a smooth, even skin tone. At number 7. Lotus Herbal's Whiteglow Scrub. It infused with oatmeal and yogurt enzymes that offer a gentle exfoliating action to remove dead skin cells. In addition, these enzymes help lift off dirt, impurities, oil, blackheads, and whiteheads from the pores. At number 6. Lotus Herbal's Nutramoist Skin Renewal Daily Moisturising Creme. The soft, fluffy textured cream gel cream consistency and nice heavenly fruity fragrance spreads easily softens and smoothens skin and improves skin texture. At number 5. Lotus Herbal's Anti-Acne Oil Control Face Wash. It decreases acne-type lesions and controls acne and pimples. Reduces excess oil, without leaving any pore-clogging residue. Regulates sebum oil production in the skin. At number 4. Lotus Herbal's Whiteglow Facial Foam. The Whitening Facial Foam Cleansing Skin Whitening Facial Foam deep cleanses your skin. Brightens it and prevents melanin production that causes skin darkening. At number 3. Lotus Herbal's Whiteglow Hand and Body Lotion. It lightens the skin tone by reducing uneven pigmentation. It can be used anytime your skin is feeling particularly parched and dry. At number 2. Lotus Herbal's Safe Sunscreen. It is a revolutionary sun protection formulation which combines broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection with skin lightening ingredients to give a uniform matte finish to the skin. At number 1. Lotus Herbal's Whiteglow Skin Whitening and Brightening Gel Creme. It boosts skin resiliency, strengthens skin's natural defense. Restores firmness to your skin. It helps you fight the stern rays of the sun and remain tan-free for a long period of time.